gavana abwe county ya Bungoma Wycliffe Wangamati amo n'abantu bandekianda amo n'abateneri ebeki company achobwaga kiba igoba ikibosio Bw'Ekegambero omugasorero aseba sorerwe n'amacho oyobokurumi bwo ogwetana kisiringi kimiliyoni 250 onaibere nomo nigo basorerwa n'amacho gose yokunyora chikonda ekyo kitabwendereti asenchera itabwendereti chikonda ikigotebekana kwabane iki obwagachi abwebara anyani gokera baika muntu obwo omwanachiye binazi pora gichana Wangamati nigo abako bakakana mwacho ayo nakobwato kwa asebondi y'ekisiringi kimiliyoni 5 nigo bakagaire kurana nende Bosio Bw'Ekegambero kitariki 17 neso tocho mutienyi oyo kianda Ekegambero kemilimani aigaime yomochi o Nairobi.
Bond of 5 million in the alternative a cash bail of 1.5 million. These terms also apply to the accused number 6 and 7. Are we clear? Yes. Okay. So then we have the second and third accused. And their bonds have been set at 1 million and in the alternative a cash bail of 400,000 each. These terms also apply to the fifth accused. The fourth accused is a bond of 10 million in the alternative a cash bail of 2.5 million. The eighth accused is a bond of 8 million in the alternative a cash bail of 2 million. And then we have accused 9, 10 and 11 banded together, each of them a bond of 1 million in the alternative a cash bail of 200,000.